Seems like we have BlackRock's ETF crypto update. How's it going, everyone? This is pretty good news. This is what we've been waiting for a serious amount of time, really, and I'm really excited to talk about this today. Again, if you want more content, you know what to do. Smash that like button to be invited to more content like this, because there are some massive opportunities in this crypto space right now. But what I am seeing is crypto slowly going back up, slowly rising, with BlackRock close days to see crypto go back. And I think this is where the huge potential starts in for BlackRock, basically, for all these crypto exchanges in that sense. Like, this is exactly what we wanted. And I do think there is going to be some sort, or at least some comfort in knowing that crypto is going to be going up in January 10th. January 10th is really the date everyone has to know, everyone has to remember, because this is exactly what we have been asking for about a few years now. Actually, we've been asking this for a long time, and I think it's finally here. In that sense, I think a lot of people are excited to hear about it. I definitely am, but let's stay tuned if you want more content and smash that like button.
How's it going, everyone? This is big. We just got news that BlackRock is going to be seeding their ETF with 100 times what they were seeding it with before. I want to explain this. Also want to talk to you about a big country, one that is growing very quickly. It's not Argentina, it's not El Salvador, it's not the US, but a very fast-growing country.
So yeah, it does seem like a crypto country is going up pretty much shortly, and this is where a lot of people are excited in that sense. This is where people see opportunity, especially when crypto is growing. I think a lot of people will stay here for the near long term, and that's the exciting part. But yeah,
that is changing the rules behind crypto to make it easier and easier for people to use it. And it's already been blowing up in this country.
So I think this is definitely good news. This is what we've been waiting for in that sense for this crypto country. Like, Venezuela just wasn't enough. Sure, they have like an economy. Sure, their country as a legal tender. So if you don't know what happened, Bitcoin basically became legal tender in Venezuela. But in my opinion, like, there is a lot of potential to see all these crypto places go back, go stronger. So there is good opportunity here in this space, and there is opportunity for more countries to rise up, for more countries to really come back, say, hi, I'm back, I'm gonna make a difference this time. Yeah, Venezuela just got in with legal tender, but we're the next one to catch up. We're the second country, so it's definitely not the last. And I think more bigger and bigger countries will accept crypto as an asset, as a big performing asset. And I think Venezuela at the time, I think Bukele is his surname, realized that the US government might be actually regulating crypto in a good way. So they might like take a crypto hit in that sense, but I definitely do think there is so many opportunities right now in this crypto space to see more massive bull runs. And I think this is where there is like gonna be some people gonna be like buying in big.
Could be pretty big. I'm not kidding. I'm not being hyperbolic. This is big news. And I only
so definitely coming, like, big news coming this week for sure. And that's something I'm really excited about.
a couple people cover it yesterday. If you guys like this kind of thing, if you guys like these takes that are a little bit different than the mainstream, let me know in the comment section. Hit subscribe so I know to make future videos just like this. Of course, I'm going to do it no matter what because I love this stuff.
I also love making YouTube videos. Seems like they also have a contest here, but just days before the SEC approval, seems like it's happening on January 3rd. And this was the big meeting I was talking about. Also, Jim Cramer effect. Like, the Jim Cramer effect is so real, guys. Like, people are saying, like, Jim Cramer has always been saying nothing will get approved, but that is such, it's just not true. Like, there's literally so many reasons why crypto ETFs will get approved in that sense. And I definitely think this is just the start in that way. Like, there is more opportunity on the rise for these crypto ETFs. But I honestly do think that crypto, the way we see it now, is really gonna change people's mindset. Like right now, crypto is seen as a thing that, oh, it's just gonna fade away and it's just gonna make me quick money. It could be seen as an asset. When we look at technology, it's seeing like a massive spike, and there's definitely more projects actually using this massive technology. So a lot of people who think there's gonna be no massive technology think about the government contracts, think about all the potentials behind crypto. And I think this is where crypto really does have like that stepping stone where people will trust these projects more in that sense. So this is where crypto has that advantage, really, like people coming to crypto for the long term and actually staying here. So BlackRock says, let's go. 220 people just got okay to buy crypto.
So it's just kind of funny. Obviously, Jim is kind of a meme at this point, but let's move on to the real news.
Breaking, BlackRock is seeding their Bitcoin ETF with 10 million of cash on January the 3rd. So 10 million is nothing for BlackRock. Like in crypto sense, it's really nothing. But it definitely makes a very fair point in that sense. Like we are going to be seeing more of BlackRock coming in and actually performing and saying, hey, crypto, let's make a big deal. So that's where I think BlackRock is going to be in. It's going to be the main crypto factor in that sense. So that's going to be pretty much cool. But where could be crypto going in the next few days is up to the question, really. There are so many possibilities for crypto to go up, to rise, to see like massive updates. And that's how I do think they have like one of the biggest assets so far for crypto is their unpredictability. So we still don't know who's going to join crypto later on. And I think this is where crypto really comes in and makes that final stand, has that buyer's advantage because it's so early. So many potential projects, so many potential cryptos could be coming in.
BlackRock is seeding their Bitcoin ETF with $10 million in cash on January the 3rd, 2024, just days before the SEC is expected to give approval. We've been covering so much of this ETF saga. It seems like everything is lined up perfectly, but before we knew that they were seeding, they said that they were going to basically start seeding even when the ETF wasn't as dead bang locked in as now. And they did it with $100,000. Keep in mind, they have hundreds of millions of dollars in a private trust that they...
So that's pretty much amazing, like how much money they have. They literally have unlimited money at this point. And this is just going to make a ton of profit for everyone, especially BlackRock at this point. And I'm excited for that. There is a ton of potential for BlackRock to see some game changers in that sense. But I do think like this is basically a huge sign that BlackRock is going to be coming in. It's going to be doing those approvals that everyone was waiting for and having those seed shares. So this is just the first step of getting that Bitcoin ETF listing.
Is lifting the banking ban.
So it seems like the banking ban is gonna be gone, which is not the biggest step, but it's a good step. And they have, they've been pretty bullish on crypto. And I think actually by blocking crypto, there's a lot of Nigerians using crypto for all sorts of things, not just good things, also bad things. I think that would make a lot of people come back to crypto as well because they were afraid of repercussions or things like that. So I think a lot of people are going to be coming back in that sense. And that's where the real excitement is. Like inflation is pretty high right now. So crypto could solve many problems for that. And if you guys want more content like that, be sure to smash that like button. Peace, everyone.